In this video, I will tell you about the ways to make a pay stub as an employer or contractor. Federal wage and hour law under the Fair Labor Standards Act, FLSA, does not require employers to provide pay stubs or itemized wage statements to employees. States' law is different. Some states do have a rule that requires employers to provide a pay stub, and others do not have a law that obliges employers to give the employees a pay stub. It is an excellent policy to provide your employees with a pay stub to accompany them to take a look at every month or week. Some states require that you provide your employees with a pay stub within 1 day of the pay date. You may also be required to keep copies of the pay stubs for various reasons, so it's always a good idea to manage them appropriately. Read on to find out ways to make a pay stub for yourself or your employees without investing in expensive software or hiring a bookkeeper. Why is pay stub essential? A pay stub acts as a proof of your earnings, your tax, health care, and Social Security taxes. You and your employees may require proof of income for the following reasons: renting a house, applying for loan finance or mortgage. Keep records of deductions and withholdings up to date. That is also helpful while filing tax returns. Dispute with an employee? Pay stubs always serve as a record of all payments.
How to make a pay stub for your employees.
2 main things to know. 1. Calculate your employees' gross pay. Take the worked hours times the rate per hour. 2. Calculate the deductions.
Federal, state, and local tax deductions.
The relevant federal taxes are calculated at the employee's gross income. It is on the IRS tax tables. The amounts differ according to marital status and whether the employees is the head of the household or not. Remember that not all areas charge local taxes. Check with your local authority to be sure. FICA tax withholding, Social Security and Medicare. To calculate these taxes, you need to multiply the employee's gross pay by 6.2% for Social Security and 1.45% for Medicare. As an employer, you need to match these amounts. Work out the net pay. That is the amount that remains after all the deductions and additions to the employee's gross salary or wage, and is the amount that will appear on their paycheck. How to make a pay stub for yourself. Do you pay yourself a salary out of your company account? You will have to calculate the above in the same manner as for your employees. How to make check stub online. Now that you have done all the calculations and have the figures at hand, we can show you how to make a pay stub for yourself or your employees. Now that you have done all the calculations and have the figures at hand, we can show you how to make online a pay stub for yourself or your employees. Open up our online pay stub maker. Select your state of residence from the menu. This will calculate any state taxes for you. Check the box according to who the pay stub is for yourself or one of your employees. Fill in all the personal details. Fill in the company details. Fill in the rest of the required information: salary, pay per hour, hours worked, overtime, or bonuses.
Thank you for watching this video. Waiting to serve you on our website. Please subscribe to my channel.